Making slime! Woohoo! You'll need Elmer's glue, baking soda, contact lens solution, and paint or food coloring. First, we're gonna add glue. Now we have to mix contact solution and baking soda, about half a teaspoon of baking soda. You don't have to put much. There's like a tablespoon in there. Now you have to add it all in. Whee! Whee! It's kind of turning into slime. Well, let's see if it's working.
Wow, this is so cool.
Did you know that a 12-year-old is in the Guinness World Records for making the world's biggest slime? And it weighs 6 tons. Probably cranes would have to carry it. Here's a joke for today. What did the baby slime say to the daddy slime? Goo goo. Look at my blue beard. Bye, folks. And this is Jase's Fabulous Fact.